Today's video is going to be about center caps on my wheels. Hello, I'm Eugene Tordo and this is ET Garage, and today's video, like I said, is going to be about center caps and why I'm making some custom ones. And it's just going to be a short video. But basically, I have these wheels. I bought these wheels a long time ago from oewheels.com or with something like that. I'll try and leave a link to their website on the description box below. But these wheels, this is for my 1990 Corvette, for people who aren't familiar with the channel. And I have these wheels from OE. When I ordered them, they're actually factory replacement wheels, except they look like the later C7 style wheels that came on the C7 Corvette. But they're in 17-inch by either 9-inch or 9.5-inch wide. And they're in the proper offset for a 90 Corvette, front and rear. Same size, same offset. And they originally came with these center caps, two-piece center caps. Let me see if I can get this apart. Yeah, they're actually two pieces. And over the years, I lost a couple of the center pieces. Now, I can't get replacement ones for them. I don't believe they make these wheels in this size anymore that I can see on their website. If anyone knows, just leave a comment in the comment section below. But these are the ones that came with them. They kind of look like a C4 one. Like this is a original, well, this is an original, kind of an original C4 one. And you can see the difference not only in the size, but the, you know, the design. Hopefully you guys can see that. And what I did was, I got these, since I lost these, and I couldn't get replacements, I found these center caps. They had them in C6 style, C7, and I don't know why I stuck the C6 ones. I'll show you. I'll post a picture of it up here that's on there right now. And I decided to do is, I didn't like it. People are always asking me about, wow, you got C6 wheels on there, and they're not C6, and they're not even that size, and they're not C7s. They look like C7s, but they're not that size either. They're made in this size for this, and offset for this year car, and they just have that look. In fact, let's just move the camera. We'll get down and take a look at it real quick, and you guys can see what I'm talking about in case you haven't seen them. So let me move the camera. Okay, here's the emblems I have on there right now. These, I believe, are a C6-7. You can get them in C7 too, which would have been really the proper for this design. You know, these look like C7 wheels. They're made for a C4 Corvette. They're, like I said, 17 by 9.5 or 9-inch. I forgot which one. Proper offset, all that good stuff. And they originally, like I said, came with these emblems right here. These emblems are two-piece. And over time, this part came off on a couple of them, so I only have two left. So I decided to do is get this style and stick them in there. However, like this will sit flush when it's mounted. This sits recessed, and that's the closest thing I can get to this type right here, these two-piece right here. If this was two-piece, it would probably sit flush, but that's all I could find was that kind right there. So what I did was I ordered another set. I sanded them, and I actually had to sand this emblem off. This is actually, even though this is plastic on the back, hopefully you guys can see that, and it's actually stamped aluminum, like over. It's like, I don't know, crimped over it, and real thin aluminum. And it's raised. This is actually raised aluminum right there. So I had to sand that down, paint it, sand it again. I probably should have sanded and painted again, and then I stuck these C4 emblems on there. Probably could have centered that one a little better, but I'm not going to worry about it. I might throw a set of clear coat over it, I don't know. And that's going to go there, and that will sit recessed like this one, but that doesn't bother me too much. These wheels have quite a few miles on them. I can't remember how many, but quite a few. Now, I did think about taking C4Ms. These are some old beat-up ones that I redid years ago from the original wheels. And I could put them on there. I could take these and somehow attach them to this. I'd have to cut the back down to make it sit flush with the wheel. And I could probably do that somehow. I don't know. If I still might do that. If I do, I'll order new ones of these. I'll try it out on the old ones first. And if that works out, then I'll do order some new ones. These are pricey though. Where these are cheap. I can get those pretty cheap off of eBay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put those on there. I still got the other 3 to do yet. I painted them. I got to sand them and paint them again. I should have probably used like a filler paint, some type of filler paint after sanding them. So it took quite a bit of sanding to get this emblem off of there, and I was afraid of going through that real thin aluminum. But let's move the camera back, and we'll wrap up this video. All right, it's just a short video, and I'm going to be happy with these. These ain't perfect. Probably could. I'm not like what we call a body finish, paint and finish type person. I'm more a mechanical person. I could probably have sanded this better and used like a filler paint on there, filler epoxy paint, and then sanded it and did it again. But I might still put a clear over it. I don't know yet. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. But that's what I'm going with for now. I may in a later date get new ones of these, and then find a way to attach them to this, the inner one, and then make it flush with the wheel. It won't sit flush. It'll actually stick out a little bit. Like this sticks flush. This is going to be like that. And if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's it for this video. Just a short video. Until I have some more projects coming up. I'm thinking of getting to work on that $100 small block Chevy. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up here. Yeah, like I said, that's all I have going on right now. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.